Welcome back again on Debaton's Crypto. Today we are gonna talk about market sentiment. This was a show that I was supposed to do with Lore as usual. Every Friday we are live, bringing to you guys amazing stuff going on in the market and educating you guys on how you can protect yourself, how you can invest in this brutal crypto market and be successful. Of course, what we do here is no financial advice. We are sharing with you guys our experience and we expect you guys to learn or not to learn. But today, I want us to talk about market sentiment, how this can impact you, how this can affect your investment style. Understanding market sentiment is going to help you a lot. So we are going to look at the bullish scenario, the bearish scenario, and neutral scenario. And also we're going to look at different mindset when you should confirm buying or when you should confirm selling. You need to learn how to identify which trend it is in the market and also to be able to know when to get out from the market and when to, take out profit. Again, this platform is here to help you to invest in cryptocurrency. I have made so many mistakes in my life, when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency or investing in general. I've lost money, made money, and my content is focused on helping you to make better decisions as you invest in this industry. So if say this sort of content interests you, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. Sharing my content is something you have to do to help this channel reach out to more people as usual. Now, I want us to first of all look at the bullish scenario. We know that whenever you invest in any project or you invest in any cryptocurrency, you expect the market to be bullish. Like you expect prices to go up. When prices go up, you are excited. Now prices are going up. I'm making money. Like, oh, I'm excited. But what you don't understand is why is price going up? What is going on in the market? What is the market sentiment all about? Is there a news that is causing your project or price of project out there to go up? If there's a news, then okay, which project or which catalyst in the market is causing this cryptocurrency to be bullish? For example, we saw that XRP was bullish recently, and that caused other cryptocurrencies to move to the upside as well. And not only that, we also saw how Bitcoin was bullish because of the news that BlackRock, is going to be, providing Bitcoin, like to their investors, and the BlackRock CEO had an interview saying that Bitcoin is a digital gold. This is a confirmation, that most people in the industry have been waiting, and those also who are at the sideline thinking that Bitcoin is not good, they saw this news and saying that, oh, if one of the biggest, like not one of the biggest in the world, financial house in the world, BlackRock, is saying that crypto is digital gold, crypto is universal money, then this is something we should be involved as well. And that has caused institutions to come on board to buy Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is the alpha in the crypto world. If Bitcoin moves, other altcoin move. I'm talking about Bitcoin and smiling because Bitcoin is the only thing you need to understand. If you understand Bitcoin, like you go through the white paper, not like everything, but understanding the core value, the core fundamentals of Bitcoin, why it exists, what is it all about, why are people so crazy about Bitcoin? This is going to help you to understand now that Bitcoin is here to stay. That is the first aspect you need to know, like understanding the fundamentals of Bitcoin. Once you understand the fundamentals of Bitcoin, it gives you that security, knowing that whenever you want to buy Bitcoin, you are secure knowing that Bitcoin is going to be here to stay. That's something most people are not aware of when they buy any asset out there. When you buy any asset, the bullish sentiment of that asset will come from the fundamentals. Adoption. How are people looking at that project? Is it a good project to buy whole long term? Right? Most people are bullish about Ethereum because they realize that Ethereum is something that most people in the Wall Street or more, let's say most investors, most financial institutions in the Wall Street are looking at it as a way that they can, add to the different, provide different investment opportunity to their, customers therein. So when you are investing in cryptocurrency and you want to trade any coin, look at the fundamentals. Ask yourself, if say I'm buying this coin right now, is this coin are the fundamentals of this coin bullish enough to make me money long term or short term? So if say you are a trader, now you want to look at the swing aspect of trading. As a swing trader, you look at you look at market structure, and market structure will give you the opportunity to understand, okay, right now is the time for me to buy or the time for me to stay away from this coin. And if say you have so many coins out there, that doesn't have strong fundamentals, then you should trade those coins short term. So the bullish sentiment when it comes to trading other coins is going to be determined by events in the market, news in the market, what is driving this or what is driving this or what is driving what. So Bitcoin always move the market, then other altcoins follow. So right now, if say I go to the chart of Bitcoin, you can see clearly that looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is neutral. It has been moving like consolidating for a long time now, like for more than 1 month now. Bitcoin have been moving sideways, like in between this range. We call this consolidation, like neutral. The bulls and the bears are not aware, or not that they're not aware, they don't know which direction to take or don't know what will happen next. That is, as it stands, no one in the market knows what will happen. You don't know if, say, price will go down or price will keep going up. But what will happen is going to be break of structure, and this break of structure can be caused by a news in the market, or maybe one investor will just decide, okay, I want to buy this coin and push it up to the upside. So be expecting something to happen every month, every week when it comes to crypto. So if say we see break of structure to the upside, then we have gotten confirmation that markets is going to be going up. And this break of structure is going to be in a way that you want to see a candle close above and stay above this 31,000 or 32,000. Then we're going to say we are in a bullish, like the market is going to go upward when it comes to Bitcoin, and other altcoins are going to follow. But looking at this range here, this is a range that I like. It represents support and resistance here. This zone here. If say Bitcoin breaks this structure, and we can see here that Bitcoin is attempting to break this structure. If it breaks this structure and come down and close below this zone here, then that's a confirmation that we are in a bear market. Like Bitcoin is going to be bearish short term. But when you look at the macro that is long term, right, you're going to realize that Bitcoin, in a macro sense, Bitcoin looks bullish, right? It looks bullish because if you look at the price of Bitcoin, you can see here that looking at the weekly time frame, Bitcoin has been making higher highs. You can see this. It is clear, So as a swing trader or as a trader, you need to look at the market sentiment, the structure, everything going in the market, so that you can understand when to buy, when to take out profits, and when to stay neutral, like not to trade or not to buy anything. Let's say, for example, you are an investor, right, and you are buying Bitcoin long term, right, and you want to see Bitcoin in different key levels, to either take profit or accumulate more Bitcoin, and you realize that, okay, maybe this is a zone where you're gonna buy more. You can buy more only when you can confirm that Bitcoin is gonna go up. Like if say Bitcoin breaks this area, yeah, and start trading to the upside, then you can buy more. But as it stands, if say you are a swing trader, you can as well take out profit, yeah, right, and buy back when Bitcoin breaks structure. Or if say Bitcoin is going to the downside, you can wait for Bitcoin to come and touch this, or it's to pull back towards this zone here. This zone, this is the daily time frame to pull back towards this zone, and this zone is around 26,000 or 28,000. It could be that. But if say Bitcoin breaks structure, I think Bitcoin is going towards 28,000, something like that. So you can buy Bitcoin cheaper at 28,000. Imagine that, let's say, for example, you sell 50% right now of a portfolio that you're going to buy either ways. If, say, it goes up, you buy back. If, say, it goes down, you buy more. You buy more. So in that case, you are protecting yourself. You are in the market protecting yourself, knowing that whatever direction that Bitcoin takes, is going to help help you accumulate more or make more money. And in the end, protect yourself. So I want you guys to look at this in a way that you are loving your money, you are loving your investment, you are loving all what you are all about. If say you don't love your investment, you don't love your money, I don't know what you're doing in this space. You need to love your money. Love your money means you are looking at opportunities to make money in the industry. You are looking for opportunities to make money, and you can now look at other altcoins. Like if, say, like for example, you are holding Bitcoin and you sold part of your Bitcoin, looking at the fact that maybe if Bitcoin breaks to the upside, you can buy other altcoins. Because when Bitcoin breaks, other altcoins are going to follow the same. But this time around, these altcoins are going to perform are going to outperform Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is moving 30%, this coin is going to move 6%. So you can now buy this coin. Then when it moves 60%, you can sell it and buy Bitcoin back, knowing that even if Bitcoin is dropping, Bitcoin will never drop that crazy. And even if Bitcoin is dropping crazy, those altcoins are going to drop even more crazier, giving you another opportunity to buy cheaper. So even though you're going to be losing money in terms of dollar value, but you are accumulating more Bitcoin. And knowing that Bitcoin is the future, Bitcoin is going to be money. When Bitcoin gets to 1 million or $100,000 per Bitcoin, or let's say 2 million per Bitcoin in the next 5 or 10 years, you must have accumulated enough Bitcoin. Looking at market sentiment, this is important. I want most of you guys to look at this in a way that, like, for example, let's say most of you who are subscribed to my platform, you invest more in meme coins like Baby Dogecoin, you invest in Floki, you invest in BitGetBwise, CSP Arrow, and other altcoins out there that you are investing in. You love it and you love the vibe in the community. Now, what you need to understand is this. These coins, their fundamentals is helping you to make more money, to accumulate more Bitcoin, right? Because when these coins, when they travel like that, way to the upside, right? If see you're not careful, you are going to lose everything again. You need to be able to look at your portfolio and saying that you are going to make money only when you convert it to Bitcoin. That's when you're going to know that, okay, you have made money. In that case, whenever you see price going up, you must look at the market, look at different structure in the market. Again, if you don't know how to look at market structure, I have a master class that I can help you with market structure. I can educate you one-on-one to teach you how you can spot out market structure using resistance, support and resistance level, or using different indicators in the market, trend lines. You can also use the moving averages to like spot out different trends in the market. All these are ways that I want to see you guys grow in the market. So if say you are interested in something like this, then go below this video. There are links there to connect with me so that I can have you one-on-one. Let me tell you why this is important. When you are in the market and understanding the market, no matter what is going on, if so you understand fundamentals and technical analysis, most at times you are making money even when the market is going down, because you must have spotted in advance. Looking at the charts, I can spot that the market is about to move. Something is about to move in the market. At the same time, you can look at the market and say, okay, at this time in the market, something is not going on in the market. Like, for example, I showed you guys here this chart of Bitcoin. You can see here that at this point in time, it's clear Bitcoin is moving sideways. So as someone who understands fundamentals and technical analysis, you know that Bitcoin is here to stay. Long term, Bitcoin is bullish. Maybe short term is bearish. You can say now that, okay, I'm going to buy Bitcoin when I see Bitcoin break structure. And if say Bitcoin breaks structure, if say it's to the upside, then I'm going to buy after I must have confirmed that. And I'm going to buy again if say I see Bitcoin for, let's say, 10% or 5%. I can buy Bitcoin looking at support and resistance. I've made a video about that, support and resistance. You can go to my videos. I have so much in my content that will help you become a better investor, guys. I'm doing this out of experience. I've been in this industry for a long time now. I've made money, lost money, and I want you guys to, like, alongside with me, my journey, to be able to look back and say, wow, we made mistakes and we are able to learn from those mistakes and be able to educate so many people out there. That's why I want to encourage you right now to go and be part of my community. There are links below this video where you can join my community on Telegram and also on WhatsApp, right? But the one on WhatsApp is special. It's not anyone who can join it. If you want to join it, you have to reach out to me personally. But you can take my masterclass, be part of my Patreon, so that you can have someone to help you one-on-one, guys. Like, I didn't have such person when I was growing, like in my journey, investing in this market. So I want to see you guys go. That's why when you look at the market, there are these scenarios. They always play out in the market in a way that, like, the bullish scenario, bearish scenario, neutral, trend confirmation. When you are keen enough, when you have the proper education, you can see, like, in your eyes, in front of you, that, okay, right now I'm gonna buy more Bitcoin, or I'm gonna buy my altcoin. Okay, let me show you guys an example with maybe Dogecoin and Floki. I stayed away from this coin, but it's not as if I didn't like the coin. I love the coin. In fact, I'm in love with maybe Dogecoin and Floki. I love the project, but it wasn't the right time for me to buy. Right? It wasn't the right time for me to buy baby Dogecoin. It was clear. I told you guys that there's nothing going on in the market at that point in time that would permit me to buy, baby Dogecoin or Floki. You can see this is the daily chart time frame of baby Dogecoin. You can see here that nothing was happening. You can see the price was going down. Has been going down. Like, look at this. It has been going down. So why do you want to buy a coin knowing that there's no sentiment, like nothing really going on here with the project? You can see I drew this trend line here that I'm gonna buy baby Dogecoin only when I see Dogecoin break this structure to the upside, like break this structure here, because it has been trying to, come to this area and rejecting this area. When I see baby Dogecoin break and start trading above this area, then I can say I'll buy baby Dogecoin, and I'm gonna go all full in baby Dogecoin when I see baby Dogecoin start trading above this area, this moving average here. This is how I go about, investing and trading different coins, because I know that these indicators are going to help me to know when to buy, when to sell, and when to stay away from the project. You can see here, I stay away from this project, from this area. I took out profit here, when I bought the Dogecoin, I took out profit here, and I stayed away because there wasn't anything going on. Like, I didn't see anything going on as to the chart. Of course, the team have never stopped building. They keep building. They don't stop building. That means the fundamental is strong, right? But the technical is weak, because not everyone is investing in the coin. Not everyone is buying the coin. So these are the kind of examples that I want you guys to see clearly in front of your eyes, that it's easy to look at the charts, combine fundamentals, combine technicals to help you make better decisions investing in this market. So go out there and kill it. Like, apply this scenario in any coin that you are buying. Not that you are buying this coin to make more Bitcoin. That's it. Bitcoin is a coin that if the market is crumbling, that the value of your money won't crumble. If you keep your money in dollar, of course you know that there's inflation, right? So Bitcoin will be that asset that when you put your money in it, even when there's inflation, like prices are going down, you know that long-term Bitcoin is bullish, right? And buying Bitcoin is not as if you want to make money with Bitcoin. It's as if you want to protect your money when, like, the money that you made from those altcoins, like maybe Dogecoin, Floki, and many others out there. So this is a lesson that I want you guys to practice full time. Make sure you always look at this. And again, if you don't know how to go about these, guys, reach out to me. And I'm going to help you, take you one-on-one to make sure that you are successful in this space. So go right now, connect with me in the link below this video, and also be part of my community. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do subscribe right now. thumbs up and share my content with someone else out there. I can see saying that Statman Okiri says looking good. Yeah, thanks. I love the new look. The new hat is amazing. My wife got this for me. I have an amazing, beautiful wife, so she got this for me. So I'm looking good because of my wife. All right, guys, that was an aside. Anyways, thanks so much for being here with me today. Hopefully, this content was helpful to you. And again, go and subscribe, thumbs up, and share. Bye bye.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me.